Welcome back to 100 Degrees Global, where we equip you with the tools to take command of your finances and reach your monetary aspirations. Today, we're venturing into the essentials of budgeting. No matter if you're just embarking on your financial voyage or seeking to sharpen your money management techniques, this video is tailored for you. Budgeting forms the bedrock of financial prosperity. It's more than just monitoring your expenditures, it's about making deliberate choices with your finances that reflect your priorities and objectives. By devising a budget, you gain clarity and control over your finances, enabling you to save more, spend sensibly, and journey towards your dreams. Now let's delve into some tips and tricks. First, track your income and expenses. Understand how much money you're earning each month and where it's being spent. Tools like spreadsheets or budgeting apps can simplify this process for you. Next, set realistic goals. Whether it's clearing off debts, saving for a holiday, or constructing an emergency fund, having distinct financial targets will inspire you to adhere to your budget. Third, prioritize your spending. Differentiate your needs from wants and allocate your funds accordingly. Remember, occasional indulgence is fine, but ensure it aligns with your overarching financial strategy. Fourth, plan for the unexpected. Construct an emergency fund to cover unforeseen expenses such as car repairs or medical bills. Strive to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Finally, review and adjust regularly. Your budget is not unchangeable. Life evolves, and so should your budget. Regularly examine your finances and make necessary adjustments to stay on course. In conclusion, budgeting doesn't have to be intimidating. With the right tools and mindset, anyone can master the craft of money management. Start applying these tips today, and observe your financial future prosper. If this video proved beneficial, make sure to subscribe to 100 Degrees Global for more invaluable tips on personal finance, and hit the notification bell so you're always in the loop. Join our community as we set sail on this journey towards financial liberation together.